variables. The second one is the variable. As we have seen the first one, see, that is constant. We need to use a keyword there called const for every constant. Now remove that const and write a simple identifier name with the help of a data type. Then we can understand that is a variable. That is, let us first see the definition of a variable. The value which changes according to the user requirement is called as a variable. Now, except const, whatever you write it and whatever you try to change it, those values are easily changed. That we can see practically.
Let us see one example program
for variables. The problem statement here is to understand the different types of variables. We all know the definition of a variable, the value which changes according to the user requirement. We call it as a variable. Now, the same example I am just giving you just to understand clearly. If I use const as a keyword, then that variable will become a constant. If I am removing the keyword const, then the variable, then it becomes a variable. Now let us see char ch equal to a, char name of some size, it is Virtulearn, int val1 equal to 50, float val2 equal to 66.256, double val3 equal to 232.4354, and I am displaying all the variables. Now let us execute this code and check. Now we have seen we got this output. Now let us imagine after this static initialization, I am just changing the value 1 equal to 200. In the earlier example, the constant, as the value was being given with a const as a keyword and it has become a read-only value, so it cannot be changed. But as part of this program, we can change the value wherever we require because it is a variable. The name itself, it says variable, which changes according to the user requirement. Now let us execute this code and just check what the values we are going to get updated. I'll be writing all the variables with the updations. Now ch equal to, let me update it to b. Next, name I am updating to C program. Next, val1 200. Next, val2 equal to 55.34, val3 equal to, let me give some value as next. If you see the first initializations whatever we have given, we need to expect this part as our output, but as it is a variable, we can change wherever we require in our program. Now you can see as part of your output, without using this, we got the output as the original values what we have given in the static initialization. This we have got it. Now once again I am executing the code. Now you can see the updated values will be printed as our output. If you closely watch the previous output and now after execution, you can see the output. All the updated values will be executed. Okay, actually string is an array type, so we cannot make the string array initialization. So if you want, you can read it, but you cannot change like this. So except string, you can see the remaining. ch is b, the updated value is b, val1 equal to 200, val2 equal to 55.340000. Val 3 is 5465.3432. This is how we can change the value wherever we require. As it is an array type, we need to read it and we need to print it again. That is the reason why we cannot directly take for name and we can update this value. We need to read it with the help of scanf. So I'll show you. I'll just take one statement here just to make you understand about this string. Printf, enter your name. We need to read scanf percentile yes. As it is a string, we need to read here name. Now let us execute this code. Just I am taking the example for name. So remaining values you will be getting it, but first we need to read a name. Let me read a name as C program. Enter. Now you can see here ch equal to b, the new updated value. Next name. So name, we cannot directly write this initialization, we need to read it again. So first name was Virtulearn, which it has been changed after reading according to the what we have read. C program. Val 1 is 200. Val 2 is the value whatever it has been updated with a newer value. Similarly, val 3 is been updated and that value you are going to get here. So the difference between constant and variable. Constant, the value will be fixed throughout the program, whereas variable, it changes according to the user requirement. So any changes, whatever we want to make dynamically or in a given program, we can easily do it for a variable. The name itself, it says it varies. So this is how we can implement the different type of variables for different data types. I hope every one of you understood it clearly. Thank you so much.